Oh, it do got a kickstand.
No, I say, you know who that piece of car did my legacy? I don't know what's happening.
Let's see, let's see.
I need to run him. I can't fuck with you. I need to run him.
What happened? What you got there? Some fries? Let me come play with you, man. Let's see what we got. Stacy gonna call who else? Just got the TikTok bumping and jumping, y'all.
Hey, Thursday.
Thursday.
Fuck him up. I ain't driving though.
Okay.
Don't get on easy. Hey, you gonna drive? You gonna drive? No. I don't drive my car though. I need to hire
I left around 4 o'clock last night.
Quinn, you gonna drive that bitch quick? Quinn ain't gonna drive that bitch.
And what? Yeah. I'm thinking about it. They talking about Stacy gonna run that Black Money Carlo.
Look out, look out.
Look out. Look out. Some doubt, man. Can't get no doubt. Appreciate it, Lorenzo. It was a lifesaver.
How far was he out there?
Man, he killed so much soybean crops. Man.
They got corn?
Nah, they had soybeans.
Soybean? Goddamn.
Man, I'm talking about at least another track worth, another eighth of a mile.
What is that, the brakes didn't work?
Yeah.
Why you ain't shut the bitch off?
He said he had the parachute out and everything.
Once again, the 2 locked-in grudge races, we need you in lane 6.
They need you in lane 6. We got Sean here, y'all. You ain't got no race. Oh, he said he might got a race. Hey, how y'all doing? You betting on a race tonight? You betting on a race tonight?
Yes, I
Which
am.
one you betting on? Tell us what you betting on.
Scrapper.
Okay, she betting with Scrapper. I think she got a good choice, y'all. I think I'm gonna bet with Scrapper. We're gonna ride with her, y'all. Just cause she going with Scrapper, we're gonna go with her. She might know something. Hey y'all, we got my favorite mod in the house on TikTok. Look out. Y'all already on my YouTube channel, right? Okay, they already on there. Hey, if it's any part of the video I need to clip out and make another video, y'all put a timestamp in the comments. Damn. Bagging it up, y'all. Y'all think you're gonna make a full pass this next hit? Pick this side if you think you're gonna make a full pass. Pick the left side if you don't. Look out, look out.